Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, the Himalaya Ranger. So yeah, after so many days, I'm going on a long ride today. I'm going to Lava. So now it's around 6:20 in the morning. Lava is around 106 to 106 kilometers from here. So it will be a total of around 210 or 220 kilometers up and down. It's gonna be a same day ride. So yeah, let's go to Lava. So now I am about to reach to Guru Bathan. So yeah, from Guru Bathan, I think it's around 45 or 40 to 45 kilometers from Guru Bathan, Lava ka distance. So yeah, and also I'm not sure about the road from Kalimpong to Lava ka kaisa hai, but what I've heard is that Guru Bathan to Lava ka road is good. So let's see. एक्चुअली लावा के एरिया में बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे गांव आसपास हैं, जो आई डोंट थिंक मेरे पास इतना टाइम है कि मैं वहाँ पर जाके इधर उधर ढूंढ सकूँ, क्योंकि यू हैव टू स्टे देयर, यू हैव टू स्टे ओवरनाइट इफ यू वांट टू कवर वेरियस पार्ट ऑफ Lava area or Kalimpong to Lava, like the Siluri Gaon, Loli Gaon. There's so many small villages which it's very beautiful. If you go there, it's better you stay overnight over there. But if you have a time, but मेरे पास it's time का कमी है. I have to return same day. So yeah, so this is a Guru Bathan village, and there is a picnic spot on the left side, and there is one park. It's very pretty. There's a bamboo bridge over there also. You can visit you can see my old videos of Guru Bathan, and yeah. Wow, look at those mountains. So I'm not denying that Utlabari, Guru Bathan, Sebok, I came to this road. They were quite beautiful, I enjoy the sight. But as soon as I see this mountain, एक अलग से एक खुशियाँ आ जाती है, मतलब sudden happiness, sudden kind of I don't know, I cannot explain that kind of feeling. As soon as I saw this mountain, अलग ही खुशी मिलने लगी मुझे. So yeah, yes, Udlabari, Guru Bathan, Damdin, Chalsa, Malbaza, they are beautiful, but for me, and personally for me, nothing to compare. The landscape is right ahead of me and where I'm going right now. What a beautiful sight. Look at that curve. I have stopped here for some breakfast. I'm having a tea right now, and actually I planned to stop at Papar Kheti, but I missed out and I went ahead of Papar Kheti. So actually, see, the scene is so beautiful that I was enjoying my ride, and I even forget to record some of the best places because I was enjoying riding, right? So yeah, this is it. So Lava is around 20 kilometers from here, and I'm gonna have sola and chai and go ahead. Lava is around only 10 kilometers from here. I don't know how Lava will be, but the road from the journey towards Lava is quite beautiful. Scenery is quite beautiful, and there are few kacha road like this. This is very few. I mean, I compare it to the थाहा भएन कतिको चाहिँ फ्यू हो यो लामै देख्दैछु म त हेरौँले आगे कतिसम्म चाहिँ छ सक्यो 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 या yes, so the roads are beautiful. Look at this terrain. Miles. Around 9 kilometers from here. Yes, it's 2 kilometers exactly. Wow, so beautiful. So if you are in Kalimpong, I would suggest if you plan to visit Kalimpong, do visit Lava side as well. Or if you're planning to stay for a couple of days in Kalimpong, instead go over to Sileri Gaon, Loli Gaon, or in Lava also. These places are quite beautiful, unexplored. It depends upon choice. Some people like crowded place, some like isolated. I personally prefer isolation. See, I like this road because there are less vehicle. And the scenery is also quite beautiful. Okay. It's cold over here. चिसो छ पुरा हात पनि एकचोटि खुवाउँदैछ. Lava is, I have heard Lava is very cold place. Okay, I have reached a point where if you go from here, you'll go reach to Padang. Welcome to Padang. And if you go this side, it will be Kalimpong. I think this is Padang. It's Sikkim. So this is Algada village. Algada village. Small village, but yet pretty cute. Okay, so now we are about to reach Kalimpong. It's around, I think, 5-6 kilometers from here. So I want capture the places in Kalimpong because I've already make a video on it, and I will put in the description. So I think once I reach Kalimpong, I'm gonna go in one a good restaurant for lunch and take a rest over there. Then I'm gonna head back to Siliguri. So yeah, it's good that I have decided to come to Kalimpong from Lava because because it's generally I feel like to go in a different route. It would have been boring for me if I've gone to the same route back. So going to the new route, kind of it's a little bit of new excitement. So yeah, so far I'm enjoying my ride. Obviously, why not when the view is also pretty awesome like this. yeah guys, I have come to the end of our trip. So now I'm in Kalimpong. I'm not visiting around Kalimpong because I already have a video. uh, the video link will be in the description. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video, and until next time. Did the whole round. I went from there, from this side. Now I came from this side. 209 kilometer, almost 200 kilometer. The time is 12:53, almost 1. Okay,